Greetings and welcome to my short videos on getting started with Lionel O gauge trains, remote control track blocks, sections. Remote control track blocks, sections. You create power blocks. Described in another video in series. Use a Lionel LCS block power controller 2, BPC2, Lionel part number 681640. LCS requirements are described in other videos in this series. Only issue is the BPC2 has only two commons, terminals 1 through 4 share a common, 5 through 8 share the other common. Keep in mind if phasing issues exist with your transformers. Or you don't have a common ground between all transformers. Connect power to the BPC2's AC power terminals, the A terminal and U terminal. Connect each track block section center rail to one of 8 terminals on BPC2 that have not been used yet. The common terminals on the BPC2 must be connected to transformer ground, U. If you followed my recommendation in other short videos in this series, the U terminal would be on the PowerMaster connected with PowerHouses. Both the Comm terminals can also connect to common ground. The BPC2's AC powers terminals, the A terminal and U terminal, would connect to a PowerMaster's terminals, A terminal and U terminal. Purchase more BPC2s if there are more than 8 blocks on layout. Program the BPC2. Refer to BPC2 manual. Retrieving Lionel product manuals is described in another video in this series. Power up layout and use remote to control block power. Shown is the BPC2 and box it comes in. Example of controlling block power. Using 2 Lionel fast track part number 612073. Connect 2 appropriate powerhouses to the PowerMaster. Remove the jumper on both 1 and 3/8 track sections. There would be fast track connecting to both track sections, and in between the track sections. Wire with insulated wire as shown. Turning on or off the BPC2 terminal number 1 would provide or remove power between the 2 track sections. That is the end of this video. Continue to next video, in this series, on Lionel model train information. Other trains, train layouts, and accessory videos and shorts can be found at T&J Railroad YouTube channel, at James D Trains.